Hi there. Check out the BAGSMART Gym Backpack, designed with a separate shoe compartment to keep your footwear protected and organized. It features 2 quick-access front pockets, a laundry pouch, and garment hooks for ultimate convenience. This versatile backpack measures 12.5 by 7.4 by 18.3 inches and weighs only 1.79 pounds, perfect for travel, workouts, or casual use. It includes a bottom strap for securing a yoga mat, side clips for sports gear, and a USB charging port for on-the-go power. Comfort is prioritized with ergonomic shoulder straps and ventilated back padding, ideal for long journeys. The backpack's water-resistant fabric, reflective strips, luggage strap, and anti-theft zipper design provide both security and practicality. Whether you're heading to campus, the gym, or outdoor adventures, this stylish backpack has you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.